Are you looking for the best printers under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best printers under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S and is an advanced 3D printer offered by Prusa Research, representing the latest version of their award-winning line of 3D printers. It comes fully assembled and tested, making it easy for users to start their first 3D print. With a US power supply and an 8GB SD card included, users have everything they need to get started right away. One of the standout features of the MK3S and is its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, which ensures a level print surface and optimal print quality. Additionally, the printer is equipped with an IR filament sensor, allowing it to detect when filament runs out and automatically pours the print, preventing any wasted material and allowing for easy filament replacement. The MK3S boasts high-quality components, such as genuine Gates belts and Bondtech drive gears, which contribute to its reputation as a reliable 3D printing workhorse. The ANYCUBIC RAMBO motherboard further enhances the printer's performance and efficiency. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 2 8K MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Saturn 2 8K MSLA 3D printer is an advanced and high-performance resin 3D printer designed to produce exceptionally detailed 3D models. It features a 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen with an impressive resolution of 7680 x 4320 and an ultrafine XY resolution of 28.5 microns. This combination allows for outstandingly detailed prints with a rapid cure time of only 1 to 3 seconds per layer. To ensure excellent light transmission and protection, the LCD screen is equipped with scratch-resistant tempered glass with 9H hardness. This enhances the overall durability of the printer and ensures consistent and reliable performance over time. One of the standout features of the ELEGOO Saturn 2 is its significantly larger printing volume, which is approximately 43% larger than its predecessor. With a build volume of 219 x 123 x 250 mm, 8.62 x 4.84 x 9.84 inches, and a 10-inch large mono LCD screen, the printer can accommodate larger prototype sizes and enable higher curing efficiency. This means users can print either one larger model or multiple smaller models in a single batch, improving productivity and convenience. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Technology X-MAXⅡ 3D Printers. The ANYCUBIC Technology X-MAXⅡ 3D printer is an advanced and versatile 3D printing machine designed for professional and industrial use. This printer boasts several key features and upgrades that enhance its performance, accuracy, and reliability, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. One significant update in the X-MAXⅡ model is the inclusion of 2 sets of extrusion systems. Both extruders have been upgraded to double-gear extruders, which offer improved printing accuracy, better heat dissipation, and reduced clogging. Extruder is designed for printing filaments like PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, and more, with a maximum temperature of 250. On the other hand, Extruder B is a high-temperature extruder capable of handling materials such as PC, nylon, and carbon fiber, with a maximum temperature of 300. The nozzle of Extruder B is made of hardened steel, providing excellent wear resistance, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance, which is particularly beneficial for extended printing sessions. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 is a highly advanced 3D printer that boasts several innovative features and enhancements to ensure top-notch printing quality and user-friendly experience. One of its standout features is the auto-leveling flexible CNC platform, which consists of a CNC installation base leveling and a 0.8mm ultra-flat composite alloy plate. This combination guarantees excellent printing quality and a high success rate for successful prints. Additionally, the platform is designed to be easily foldable, allowing users to remove their printed creations within just 5 seconds. The printer also comes with a removable nozzle, which includes standard 0.4mm and 0.6mm high-temperature extruders, capable of reaching 240 and 265, respectively. These nozzles are compatible with various diameters, 0.3 mm, 0.4 mm, and 0.6 mm, and different extrusion temperatures, 240 and 265. This versatility enables users to work with a wide range of materials, such as ABS, PLA, PC, PETC, PLACF, and PETCF, expanding the possibilities for creative 3D printing projects. Number 5. ANYCUBIC 4K and Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC 4K and Resin 3D Printer, known as the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2, is an advanced 3D printing device that offers high-quality results and user-friendly features. One of its standout features is its impressive 4096 x 2564K plus HD resolution, ensuring the reproduction of 3D models with vivid detail. Compared to traditional RGB screens, this printer utilizes a 9.1-inch monochrome screen that not only extends the screen's lifespan but also caters to the printing needs of large-size models. The printer is equipped with an improved ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source, which efficiently projects UV light both parallel and perpendicular to the LCD screen. This enhances light exposure uniformity during the printing process, ultimately improving the overall quality of the 3D printed models. To ensure precision and accuracy during operation, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 utilizes a dual linear rail and palm clearance nut combined with a vibration absorption structure for the Z-axis. This setup minimizes vibrations and eliminates layer lines, contributing to smoother and more refined prints.